Hi everyone, we're back again making your life as a business owner even better with a completely new feature that you now have access to in your Fullscope account, and that is a QR code generator. If you come over here in the left menu to Sites and head up to the top right, you will see QR codes. It's brand new, and now you can quickly and easily create QR codes for your business. You can customize them to have the look and the feel and even a logo that you would like to have on them. So let's create one right now so I can show you exactly how it works. So here you can create a new QR code. You can give it a name. I'm going to create one for the Fullscope Freelancer homepage. So I will choose the website option here. As you can see, if you're connected to our review and reputation tools, then you can also grab the link for people to review your products or services right here and hopefully place it somewhere where customers are likely to see it and want to drop you a review. But I'm going to click website. Let's click next. I'm going to obviously fill in the Fullscope. Whoops, one L too many. Fullscope homepage. Boom, boom, boom. Let's click next. And here I can customize the look of this tool. So let's say, the marker border color, I'm going to make it our Fullscope purple or something close to it, at least in this demonstration. So now we've got a nice purple area right here. And if I wanted to change the shape, I can also do that. I can change the shape of those borders. I can change the shape of the little dots that are running around the QR code. I can change the markers in the middle here, so you can make it look and feel exactly the way you want. Not only that, you can also add a logo. So if this was, for example, a QR code to pay you via PayPal, then you could grab the PayPal logo right here. Same thing if you want people to contact you via WhatsApp, then you can pop that logo here. And of course, if you want to upload your own image, you can just click here and choose your own image or logo from within your account. So since this is for the Fullscope, double click here. Since this is for the Fullscope Freelancer homepage, I'll add our own logo in there. Boom. And now I would say I'm ready to go. So I'm going to save this. So you can see you can download it here. And of course, you'll receive it as an image that you can then use in any of your marketing or any of your business content, wherever you need to place it. And of course, I can come back and edit it in the future if I need to. So you can see I can download it here as well. And then once people start actually using this QR code, actually scanning it and going wherever I want them to go or doing whatever I want them to do as a business owner, then we're also going to have analytics. So if I open up the analytics page, I made a quick edit there so that I could scan that QR code on my own phone. And now you can see under analytics, we've opened up this analytics page to our QR codes. If I had multiple, I could of course filter and see them individually. Since I only have one, all is good enough for me. And right here on August 22nd, as I'm creating this video for you, you can see one person has scanned the QR code. And of course, in the future, I'll be able to then track over time how many times people are interacting with this QR code and hopefully see whether it's helping my business and how I could maybe tweak it to improve it or place it somewhere where people are more likely to see it. I hope you can think of some fun ideas for yourself, how a QR code to, again, your payments or to your homepage or to a contact method that you prefer can help you to just get in touch with your customers faster or make their lives easier in some way, shape, or form. If you have any questions about using this new QR code feature, just reach out to the support team from within your account. We're happy to help, and we will see you in the next update video.